I've chased after that fish for years, guys. And it finally panned out, dude. Today got the tripod. I'm gonna get you guys see how I go after these guys. I'm gonna break down a little bit how I do things, and got some news for you guys too. In the fall, I'm gonna be officially opening my guide service, so I'm getting pumped up for that, and I'm excited. But let's get to fishing. Beautiful morning, 61 degrees out. Got a slight chance of a little bit of rain, scattered rain today, but it's gonna be very light. So let's get underneath this bridge, and hopefully I get something on camera for you guys today. I think it's gonna be good. Would not surprise me, guys. Would not surprise me if this morning we catch a few crick chubs right here, and then we start getting into a trout. Usually once they get past a certain section, it's usually pretty good, so stay tuned. I got a elk hair cat, well, yeah, it's an elk hair caddis, but it's a tan caddis. And then I got a white lively legs with pink legs on it, double trouble. And let's get a little bit of gink out. Don't want to use too much, but you want to get it enough just so it gets into the fibers and keeps that thing afloat, and you can see it. It's like a big gray caddis, like size 10. And let's give her hell. If not, we're going to put on the stimmy. But I think this will be good for as of right now. And, ooh, I'm pumped up, I'm shaking. Pretty much called that crick chub. Got my 893 weight. And that's trout. why all the ground is so nice in this place. We've been quick to push up in. One thing when you're walking these wild streams, guys, any trout stream for that fact, take your time. Fish aren't going nowhere. That was a big thing I had to learn fairly quickly. Fish are going nowhere. They'll be here. They will be here. Please, for the love of baby Jesus. Alright. Another thing about this place, it is so damn slippery. So damn slippery. Don't get discouraged if you don't start catching them right away either. Don't. It's one of those things where water's a little stained, but it's you know you're gonna be around. Like right in here, man. Some good stuff right here, guys. Just missed the brown there. Little guy, probably like 4 to 5 inches. Usually I catch 1 or 2 through this slot. Maybe they started to push up and started following them crick chubs. After a certain time, I think they follow the crick chubs up like a smallmouth or largemouth do. When I first started trout fishing, I wasn't a big fan of the idea of it because I thought maybe, you know, to be honest with you, I thought trout were kind of dumb. But then the more I've realized about wild trout and native trout and holdovers and how smart they can get, and but maybe this little bit of rain will help have something come off and get them bugs moving and really start to see a bunch of small minnows. It's another thing too, if you're around the crick chubs, most of the time I've noticed in this place, then the trout aren't there. But we got this here. So let's get over yonder here. Something's not right. Either I'm not long enough or I've got the wrong thing on. So we're switching up. There should be a fish in there. All right, I gotta calm down. Guys, especially in this barbless game, in this trout fishing game, you're gonna lose fish, but I just wanna show you guys and get some on camera for you for once. And anytime that I go to try to do it, either they don't bite or I lose them. And it's just like, it just seems like the other style way of how I've been shooting videos for you guys has been so much easier for that simple fact. Just lost another one. No joke. Just lost another one. I gotta offset this hook or something, because this just ain't gonna work. Like, work in front of you guys wherever you're gonna walk. At least I'm getting around them. They're starting to show themselves now. Maybe since the sun needed to come up a little bit. I might have to go to the other stream because this is just really starting to piss me the fuck off. If you don't fucking get in there. No cap, I've lost like 5 fish today. All right. We're in here, guys, like anywhere, so it's just a matter of getting around, and that's all. Try not to get any drag on that dry. And that right there, screaming fish. I'm so off today. Sometimes all you can do is laugh and keep from crying. I can tell today's gonna be one of those days. I just caught a bruiser. I'm being dead honest with you guys. This is why I don't record like this, because anytime I go to do it, I'm either not recording or my phone says it has no storage when I have the most storage you could get on an iPhone. I have over 500 videos on my iPhone. But as soon as I let them go already. As soon as I hook into a 17-inch brown, it doesn't record. You guys are gonna see this and think that I'm a spoiled brat, but I'm not. Like, I literally am not. I just caught one of the most beautiful fish out from underneath there. And of course my phone doesn't record it. I maybe got 3 hours of sleep last night. That's my first fish landed, and I didn't get it recorded. What a day, man. Whatever. Let's just keep going. But like this is the highs and lows that you guys don't see. All right. We sat here for about 5 to 10 minutes. Got my mind right. We're gonna try through these next few runs. I need to just calm down. I'm so pumped to fish. Putting too much expectations upon myself too. I mean, I just caught one of the nicest fish out of there. I mean, he just fought me so well too. Got the net, got him in the net. I'd let him go because I was so pissed off. Should have shown you guys, but whatever. Let's just keep moving. Lost another one. Finally. Little wild brown on the pink bead. Finally. Show you guys one more time, this little fella. If he'll cooperate. Now darn time. There. Oh, big boy. Come on. Just came up and ate surface. Oh, he just came up. Oh my God. Oh wow, what a fish too. Thank you. I hope maybe I got that for you guys. I don't know. Let me get him off real quick. Wow. All right, guys. Oh, what a beautiful brownie. We get him unwrapped here because he got himself a little good here on the side of his face here. Big tanker brown. All right, I'm gonna let him go, guys. All right, guys, that mentally, I know I'm supposed to be out here having fun, but I really want to show you guys these fish and the hook sets and everything. I haven't done that yet really this year, and it's been a definite struggle. I mean, crick chubs to losing fish to camera not recording to, I mean, it's just like now we're somehow tangled against my main line. I don't know how that happened, but apparently it's just one of them kind of days where it's just nothing I can do about it, and I just need to let it go. But that was just a big reliever here. Never seem to get more than one out of it. Usually it's one, and that's it. There he is. Oh my God. Oh my God, as soon as it hit the water. Dude, this is a big fish. Easy, bro. At least I caught him, but he was just not cooperating. Just spunky. Big head on him. Wow, was that unreal. I figured with this rain, this cloud cover, that stimulator, man, that stimulator is freaking deadly, guys. It is deadly. I mean, utterly deadly. There might be another one in there or further up in it, but I'll show you guys the stimmy. Gotta dry him off and get him ganked up, but stimulator with an orange belly. I mean, he sipped it. They're sipping it, like they're legit sipping it. I thought I seen something when I first rolled up right here and right where he was last week. It's right up against that corner. He didn't touch his dry last week. Touched it today though. Hey guys, unfortunately my phone's more than halfway dead. And I still got maybe 2 miles of stream to work here. So I'm gonna put you guys in the pocket. You guys seen a couple of really good catches. You guys seen my frustrations already. I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the fish like I normally have been. We're gonna work on doing this more, but if you guys liked what you just seen, please hit that thumbs up button right there. That was just incredible in itself. 2 fish out of the same hole, and I just said usually there's only 1 that sits in here. There's 2 of them now. So, all right, we're gonna get this dry, and then we're gonna just keep working up and do our regular fishing and show you guys. All right, thank you guys, seriously. Man, what a morning, the ups and downs. All right, guys, out of the same little hole, hit the dry, little fella. Just a little bit further up where I just caught that gigantor. He's sitting in the middle. They are looking up today. Really starting to look up. Let's let him go. Hey, buddy. Damn, perfect dots and everything. See ya, dude. Right there. Look at this. How tall he is. Beautiful. See ya, buddy. Alright, guys. I need you guys to see how beautiful this little turkey is. Nicely buttered up, nice and fat. Look how chubby he is. He's eating some type of bug. Because, tell you what, if it was minnows, it'd be a little bit harder, and if it was crayfish, it'd be really hard. They're eating bugs coming off. It's a nice rain, nice drizzle. Stuff's been coming off. March browns. I've seen a couple of March browns, bunch of spinners. I'm really learning these bugs, guys. I'm really trying to. Some sulfurs were coming off, but and a bunch of gnats. It's gnat season, so if you guys like, there's a rusty spinner right there, right here in front of us. You guys can't see it, it's too small, but they are, he hit me in this real fast stuff, nice and buttered up. I might work the rest of this. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Should I keep working this stretch, or should I go to another stream? All right, I'll keep working. I'm glad you guys said to keep working it, because like literally 2 feet away, this guy came and hit that dropper. They are on today, guys. A little colored up too. I love it when they get that yellow belly. Look how pretty he is. Nice. Look at that gleam on his cheek too. Gorgeous. Got him right in the top of the nose. You gonna go? You're free? I don't think he realized he was free. Literally, last fish came like right there. Another little fella. Bye, buddy. back's starting to hurt from kneeling down. He's got a really nice wild here, guys. You should see the blue dot behind his eye. It is amazing. Oh, he almost just swam out of my net. All right, beautiful too. Beautiful wild. That dot. Back out of pose. Fins are absolutely perfect. No wear and tear on them. Let's let him go. Bye, buddy. See ya. Came out of that little crevice over there. Oh, guys. You should see this little fella. Look how fat these little chunk butts are today. So fat. Bye. Cool. Just beautiful. Bye, buddy. Same spot. Right where Ricky caught his toad. I just did something. It's not a bad thing. If you guys remember a couple weeks ago, Mr. Ricky caught an ultra monster out of the stream I took him to. I just caught him again. Here it is. Now, before that, I caught 2 wilds sitting right next to him. He rolled on me like 4 or 5 times on my dry, and then he hit my dropper. Out of all those fish that I lost today on that bottom fly, because it's barbless and sometimes it's hard for him to stay pinned, he stayed pinned and he swam off strong. I didn't want to take him out of the water. I wanted to get him right back in, let somebody else have the chance to catch him if anybody else is really fishing here. I mean, I hardly ever, I don't see anybody ever. And granted, it is no longer really trout season, but I mean, everybody gets their first week jitters out of the way. But he hit the exact same place. The exact same place that Ricky caught him. So he's holding in here. He's healthy, super fat, just mondo. Just an absolute mondo. Guess I'm gonna keep working up. I'm shaking like a leaf. This guy is gorgeous, man. Look at those dots, dudes. Wow. See you, brother. Hi, guys. I have just caught my personal best wild brown trout, and he's absolutely ginormous. Big orange dots. I mean, guys, I can't. I'm about to have a panic attack. Oh my God. Let me keep the water on him. I gotta get this fly out of his mouth. I have just caught the biggest brown trout possibly of my life. And I may never catch a fish like this ever again in my life. Ricky? Ow, it's in my finger. Ow, oh my God. Okay, I got it out. Okay, keep your head in there, dude. Oh my God. Dude, he's every bit. I'm telling you, he's about the same length as my net. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me get the air out of him. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've seen this fish for 2 years now out of this hole. Oh my God. He is absolutely beautiful. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I gotta let him go. One more time. Oh my God. I'm gonna let him go. I'm allowed to keep him, but you want to keep these jeans in this water. That is a gem there. Oh my God. Oh my. I'm still standing here about 20 minutes later. I'm so dizzy. I'm hyperventilating. I ate something. I ate lunch. I mean, I ate breakfast. I had some snacks. I don't think it's because of that. I hyperventilated that whole fight. Guys, I don't think you know how much this sport means to me. I really don't. And that is a trophy fish. And on an 8.9, or I can't even think, on it, yeah, 893 weight Finette's trout rod made by TFO. I've chased after that fish for years, guys, and it finally panned out, dude. I don't care if you think I'm less of a man if I'm crying right now. I don't care. That's a once-in-a-lifetime fish that isn't stocked. That is a Mariana Outdoorsman's Association fish. I don't know if I want to keep going, guys. Oh my God. I can't explain what's going on right now. I just can't. Well, guys, I hope my phone don't die on you. I just caught this guy again. I caught him a couple of years ago. And now he's all skinnied up with his big gator head. Oh, man. See ya, dude. What an incredible day. Make sure you like and subscribe, okay? Just do that for me, all right? This has been an absolutely unbelievable